Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. This is a weekend version where we'll be doing weekly technical analysis in currency pairs. So today in this video, we are going to be doing technical analysis in three currency pairs. First will be British Pound US Dollar, British Pound JPY, then British Pound New Zealand Dollar. If you are new to my channel, we have a dedicated Telegram group for our subscribers where we discuss about possible trading opportunities and clarify queries on trading ideas. Please use the link placed in the description section for joining our Telegram group. Let us start with the analysis. I am in weekly time frame of British Pound US Dollar currency pairs. As mentioned earlier, it was fully on a downtrend, and at this point here, it broke the resistance over here, and presently it has tested this resistance level over here. Currently the currency pair is in a downtrend, or we can say it is in a retracement because it has not broken this resistance level over here, previous resistance, and it is testing the bottommost support level when we look at the current price action from the weekly time frame. If it manages to break this support level, we can expect it to test the next level of support, which is around 1.304. If the bearish trend is still strong, we can expect it to test this diagonal support line, and also we have one more support level over here. But overall, when we look at the price action, it is only on a retracement. It came on a downtrend, it broke this resistance and tried to go on an uptrend, but it couldn't break this resistance level over here, and it is on a retracement for now. So when we look at the price action from the weekly time frame, it is only a range bound market. It has not made new high or new low. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. So I am in daily time frame now, and when we look at the price action, it is easier to understand. It has made lower low, and currently it is trying to make one more lower low. It is trying to test this support level. I have also drawn the channel pattern. So from the channel pattern, we understand that current price action is on a downtrend. Within this channel pattern also, previously it was making high and retracing, but presently we can notice that it has not managed to break this midline of this channel pattern also. So from this price action, we can understand that the bearish trend is strong in this currency pairs, and currently it is trying to break this support level over here, which is around 1.3321, and if the trend is still strong, we can expect it to break it and test this green color support line. So presently this support level is holding the market from falling down. If this support level still holds, we can expect the market to retest on the central line, but if the bullish trend is still strong, we can still expect the market to go down and breach these support levels also. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. Here within this channel pattern of daily time frame, I have marked the channel pattern in hourly time frame. So it has gone up. Presently it is on a downtrend in hourly time frame also. So when we look at the current resistance level also, this is going to be the next level of resistance. So I am expecting the price to go and test this level. But if the bullish trend is still strong, maximum I am expecting it to go to this level, which is around 1.34, and trend reversal to happen. There is very little bullish trend in this currency pair. So if it tests this level, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. When we take the support level, we can expect the market to test this level also if the bearishness continues. Let us mark the trading ranges for Monday. So this is going to be the resistance level. Next level of resistance is going to be here. This is also the level for the central line of the channel pattern from daily time frame. If it manages to breach this level, we can expect the next resistance to be here, and support is at this point over here, and next level of support is going to be at the bottom over here. This is also going to be acting as a one level of support because this is a support level of the channel pattern from daily time frame. Please mark these ranges in your chart. Since the market is on a bearish side, avoid going on a bullish trend for now. Let us do the analysis in British Pound JPY. I am in weekly time frame of British Pound JPY currency pairs. So when we look at the overall price action from the weekly time frame, it was on a downtrend and it has broken this downtrend at this point over here. Momentarily it tried to go up, but it couldn't break this resistance level over here, and currently it is making a trend reversal to the bearish side, trading within a range of resistance and support level. The support level is at 149.107, but clearly we can notice that it has bounced back from the resistance level. It has breached this weekly support level also and trend line also. So we can say that bearish trend is very strong from the weekly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. As explained in the weekly time frame, it has gone up and momentarily tested this resistance level. It couldn't hold this bullishness over here, and currently market is in a downtrend. And I was expecting this support line from the weekly time frame to hold, but formed a very nice double top pattern and started falling down. So the bearish trend is very strong in this currency pairs. None of the support level have stopped it from falling down. Let us mark the trading ranges for Monday. So this is going to be the support level. Momentarily it has breached this support level, and resistance is going to be here. Next level of resistance is going to be here, and next resistance is going to be here, and topmost resistance is going to be here, and bottommost support is going to be at this level over here. But overall, when we look at the current price action, it is in a very strong downtrend. Only when it breaches this resistance level, we can expect a trend reversal to happen and test this resistance over here. Currently it has breached all the support levels from the weekly time frame also. So I am expecting a further fall over here, and if the downtrend is still strong, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. Please mark these ranges in your chart and plan your entry and exit based on the support and resistance levels. Let us do the analysis in British pound and New Zealand dollar. I am in daily time frame of British pound New Zealand dollar currency pairs, and I have already marked the resistance levels over here. It did not manage to break this resistance level, and I have also marked the support level at this point. This is acting as a very strong support level over here. Previously also it has acted as a support level, and current price action also taken support over here, and it is on a bullish trend. And when we look at the overall price action, we have a resistance level over here. The current price action has moved up and found resistance over here, and it has retraced and took support at this price action over here, and it is sort of consolidating within this price range. And during this price action also, we can notice as it was moving on a uptrend and found resistance over here. Currently it has retraced again and found support over here, and at present the price action is in a uptrend within this range over here. So it has not formed a new high, or it has not formed new low. It is a range bound market when we look at the price action from the daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. So when we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, we have the resistance line over here, and also this is a resistance line. Previously it was on an uptrend. It has fallen down. Currently it is in a bullish trend from this support level. When we look at the price action also, it had formed a very nice head and shoulder pattern. Then it has started a trend reversal. If you are very familiar with the pattern formation, it is very easy to trade this sort of currencies. I am expecting the current price action to go and test this resistance level over here. It is around 1.972, and a trend reversal to happen, because from the daily time frame we understand that this currency pair is in a bearish trend. So when we mark the channel pattern over here, we can clearly notice that it is in a bullish trend. So you can go on a bullish trade as long as the price action is moving within this channel pattern over here. When the channel pattern is broken, you can go on a bearish side. Only when it breaks this level of resistance from the daily time frame, we can say that bullish trend has started. Until then, this is going to be acting as a very strong resistance, and we can expect the trend reversal to happen and retrace to the bottommost support level, which is around 1.90198. So presently it is in a range bound market. Within the range bound market, it is in a uptrend. Let us mark the trading ranges for Monday. This is going to be the resistance on top. Presently, it is testing this resistance level. This is going to be acting as a support. Next level of support is going to be here, and this is going to be the next level of support. And if it falls further, we can expect it to retrace 100%. This is going to be the 100% level retracement, which is around 1.8843. Please mark these ranges in your chart and plan your entry and exit based on the support and resistance level at the time of entering your trade. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.